So this is the Tweed Mill from the outside, and you can see that it's a very popular place to come shopping. They actually bring coach parties in, and that's my brother there trying desperately hard to smile. Alright, and just to show you what a lovely day it is here in North Wales. Again, plenty of cloud, but the sun's managing to break through, and for that we're eternally grateful. So there's the that's the Tweed Mill Shopping Outlet. So here it is, very attractive. It's a tiny little pestle and mortar, but perfect for spice grinding, for doing the small amounts of spices. And that pestle will do me for my broken pestle on my slightly larger mortar, which I also use for grinding pastes and spices. So that's the perfect gift, and that's from that generous fella there. Thanks, Dick. I really appreciate it. So we're just waiting for breakfast to come along now. So we're waiting for breakfast to come along, and then this impossibly pretty waitress brought me along this gorgeous meal. How about that? So that's a full Welsh breakfast with wholemeal bread toast, and I am going to love that. So what we got? There you go, friend. I've got the and there's the pretty waitress.
I'll get us some cutlery, won't I?
It's alright, I'll go and
What's
get
your
it.
name, lovely?
Thank you very much.
Lucy.
Alright.
You sort us out, I'll go and get your cutlery.
Thank you, Don.
Okay.
And that's Richard's. He's got more or less the same as me, only he doesn't like tomatoes very much, so he's got extra beans. Awesome. And he's got brown toast. So you'll have to forgive us now, because we're going to get tucked in. Oh, I managed to find this Borvos. They've actually spelt it wrong there, but it's rolled up like a Cumberland sausage, but it's a delicious and spicy South African sausage that they'll serve on a braai, that they'll cook on the braai rather, which is their barbecue. And I'm going to cook that on my barbecue at home and show you. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you would like to follow my channel, please subscribe, and be sure to click the bell icon to receive notification of all my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.